Ayan, dyan po ako pupunta at tayo'y magpaganda. Charing. Before and after. Ang pangit, sobrang dry. So this is my hair before. Then watch after. Before and after.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Normal na manicure.
18.
Ang tingin.
18. Ikaw pa, Jel?
Ito na lang ka ng utang. Ito sa rin ng mga lara. Ngayon na, ngayon ako. Ito sa rin ang pagkanugasin na ng lapan ito.
Kaya nakaputla din sa ito.
Oo, iwan lang sa size. Para mataas yung sabi ko na. Mamaya butang ano yung gawin ng saka yung power C ha. Bili ka na din. Nakawala na.
Tulad si Madam.
Go.
Ganun.
Iyan na kami.
Isamahan na natin. Isamahan na natin. Uy, mong anak. Yun sa rin muna. Dalawa. Oh. Dalawa. Oh.
Wala ko. Ngit-ngit. Matasanas ko blower din. Blend nyo na.
Ganda siya.
Ha?
Muna na yung final?
Ha?
Muna na yung final?
Hindi pa. Mag-rest na tayo. Ito pa lang yung feel like inumin daw punching powder.
Ayan guys, this is the finished product. Ayan, totally changed si Mami G. Ayan, totally changed si Mami G. Nakakutundod siya dito. Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Salamat po. Thank you. Adto na ko. Salamat sa inyong tanan.
Thank you, madam.
Oo. Mahal. Mahal.